Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Thank you for all my Patreons that's supporting me in this channel. Guys, in this video I'm gonna cover what's happening if your license is expired or soon will be expired. So right now we have until December 31st, 2022 to complete the test. It's include G1, G2, and G license. So for example, guys, if your license is already expired long time ago and you want to complete the test, we still have time. So what happens if you are booking the test and your license and you fail the test? What's going to happen? You still, usually what's happening after you fail the test, you can apply for another test in 10 days. If you didn't apply in 10 days, you couldn't find the appointment, there is another option, but I will talk about this later. So let's say you apply for the test and you fail and you're trying to find another appointment and there is nothing available. There is a solution for that. You can contact Alex. I will try to help you as much as I can. If not, then what's going to happen? We can book again in January or in February. But the biggest issue with that, if your license is expired after January 1st, then that means that you cannot drive anymore. And what you have to do in this case, when you're booking the test, on the day of the test, you have to go to the ministry, to the test center where you're going to be, and ask for they will give you a temporary license for the day of the test, right? So let's say you don't have an appointment and you want to try to go for the test. You can book the test, but it has to be before December 31st. After that, your license will be not registering and you cannot do anything to do something to apply for the test. So if you couldn't find the appointment, as long as you're booking before December 31st, you can still go for the test to book the appointment for the next time. So what I'm trying to explain here, that you don't need to be panicking. It's not the best situation because the license is expired, but you still can try and go for the test. So I always say to all of my students, if your license is expired, make sure you're finishing before end of the year. So guys, this short video just to explain to you what's gonna happen after December 31st. We still can apply for the test. We cannot drive. If you have insurance, it's not going to be valid. If you have a car and you have G2 license, you cannot drive until you clear the test. On the other hand, what's going to happen if you didn't clear, it's not a big deal. You can do the G1 again and then go for the G2 and then go straight for a G. So guys, don't worry about the expiration date. Make sure you're trying your best to finish, to complete before, but if you didn't do it, it's not a big deal. You still have a chance, and if this chance you don't want to take, simply apply for a new one, G1, go for G2, and then because you had a license, if you had a G2, so you can go for a G. If you don't have a license, you don't need to wait. You can apply for G2 straightforward. So I hope this video helped you guys to understand what's going to happen if your license is expired. If you have any question, let me know. I will help you. Again, if you need helping with the booking and you're trying your best and it doesn't work, let me know. I can try to help you with that too. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.